Word Finder allows you to search for any word and discover the pathway for how to get to that word within your vocabulary file. There are two methods for using Word Finder in chat. This video will show you how to use Word Finder from the keyboard page in LAMP Words for Life. First, navigate to the Spell Num page within your vocabulary. Spell the word you want to find directly on the keyboard page. In this example, I will look for the word dog.
D-O-G.
Once you're done spelling your word, select the purple Word Finder button in the top row. If the word is in your vocabulary file, you will see the button sequence displayed in the speech display bar. You need to remember that icon sequence to go find the word if you're using this method of using Word Finder. You can always press Word Finder again to display that icon sequence. So I need to press this button, then this one, and then this one. Let's go find that word dog. So I press this dog icon, pet/farm, and there it is.
Dog.